Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check your account balance in Putler. First, log into your Putler account. Now you'll land on the home dashboard. This is your command center for everything happening in your business. Then look at the top right corner. That's your account balance. That number you see, hover over it. You'll get a clean dropdown showing balances from every connected payment source, PayPal and Stripe. You'll see each currency listed separately, so you always know what's sitting where. This is my dummy data, so in the demo video, you'll see a Stripe balance. If you work with multiple currencies, Putler keeps things simple. One important note, your balance reflects total available funds across all historical data. It won't change when you switch date ranges or apply filters. You can use this balance view to know how much cash you have ready for payouts or expenses, see which platform or currency holds the most funds. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly check your balance amount in Putler and get a full view of your funds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.